Something about politicians confuses me. A government can spend billions trying to convince people they did a good job, but somehow they couldn't spend half of that amount to actually doing the good job. Think about it. If a restaurant serves amazing food, it doesn't need to beg customers to come back. Yes, it doesn't need to beg customers to come back. The customers return by themselves. So why is re-election campaign always more expensive than performance? Imagine failing an exam, then spending 10 times the school fees trying to convince everybody you passed. At that point, wouldn't it be cheaper to just study? Wouldn't it be cheaper to just study? Anyway, it's alright. It's alright.